Let's talk about chicken, beef, and fish cooking temperatures. Undercooked proteins? Not on our watch. Harmful bacteria like Salmonella and E. coli can lurk in these foods. But by checking cooking temperatures, you zap those pathogens away. Besides, who wants a run-in with the health department? Stay compliant with local regulations by hitting those minimum internal temps. Chicken 165 degrees, ground meats 155 degrees, whole meats and fish 145 degrees. Trust us, your wallet will thank you later. And let's not forget taste. Perfectly cooked meat is juicy and delicious, not a chewy nightmare. Your guests will notice the difference. Building customer trust? It's easy when you consistently serve safe, well-cooked meals. Happy guests mean repeat business and rave reviews. Ready to up your game? Ace Food Handler offers top-notch training to make sure your team is on point. Use code ACE20 for 20% off any of our courses. Let's make food safety a breeze. Sign up today and cook with confidence.